It's a lovely day in August in Helensburgh, Scotland, and I saw on Facebook that there was classic cars being shown at Kidston Park, so I've come along to have a wee look. There's not that many of them, but they're very, very beautiful. Okay, so I was wrong, there was lots of them. I managed to record them all leaving Kidston Park, but they've gone along to the pier. I think they're, reassembling there before they head back along. I'm not going to try and go along into the pier because I reckon it'll be super busy. So what I'm going to try and do is wait out here and catch them on the way back.